Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Audi A6 TDI Quattro Prestige. This one is an aviator blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 TDI turbo diesel, pushing out 240 horsepower and 428 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, S-Line package with the sports exterior and interior look, 20-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. A flint gray leather interior, sunroof, A6 TDI Quattro all-wheel drive badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats, keyless entry, a wood trim, memory seats, Bose sound system, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, dual climate controls for the front and rear, automatic transmissions, hard keys for a media display. This Audi has 86,953 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Audi A6, check out feldmannimports.com.